paddle and hike. Today we're in La Chute to like a secret place that some people knows, mostly the people around here, but it's a nice place with waterfalls and everything. Because all the roads are closed, I managed to figure out a way to come here, so at least I can hike a bit. I came here one time to have s'mores and hot chocolate with my kids, and I made the fire over there. There's plenty of spots that you can do stealth camping here. There's like so many fire pit, and you're near the water all along, and you can climb up the hill just going up the North River, and it's very, very beautiful. It's amazing. So yeah, I'm still following the river. It's so beautiful here. It's a bit hotter than I expected, so I'm sweating like a pig, but it doesn't matter. There's a couple people. I'm not alone, so I just try to keep my distance with the crisis going on, but it's still such a nice place. I would love to come camping here, but I don't know, because I have to park on the street, so it kind of blows my cover if I want to camp here, because there's like billions of places to camp here. There's fire pits, there's water, it's like everywhere is fine to camp. There's so many great spots, but I would have to park my car on the street, so if a cop's like pass, you will see that I'm there for sure. So that's the only reason. Just I wish they had a parking or something. Anyway, let's continue. You park and the trail starts right away near the streets, and it starts with a waterfall, and you just follow the waterfall all the time. See, the water's right there. It's easy to find, easy to get, easy to hike. Also, well, there's plenty of water, plenty of place to camp. I don't know if you could park, but you know, for the night. Such a great day. Feels so great to be out for once. Out even during the crisis. People are there. There's like, I've saw maybe like 10 to 12 person, but we all stay apart, everybody respecting the by far the 6 feet. I think the closest I was were like 20-25 feet from them, so it's great, and it feels so good. Water, the sounds, the nature, the birds, it's amazing. So I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss any future video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.